I'm gonna show you how to change out your door latch on a 97 Honda Civic. Here's the old mechanism. This one gave out on me. So what you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a 10mm socket. So what you're gonna do, take off your door panel. There's other videos showing you how to do that. We're just gonna get right into it. So first things first, what I did, start on the side of the door and go ahead and take out these 3 bolts. And after you do that, to make things easier for me, I went ahead, take these 3 bolts off also, and then with your 10mm, loosen that up. That's your window guide, take that out. So once you do that, you'll be able to move your window track. So what you're gonna do, let's see if I can get some light in there real quick. What you're gonna do, push this window track to the side, get the actuator and the door latch out. Easiest way to do that is to also take these pins off, or take these guide rods, or whatever you want to call them, lift up, and then pull the rod out. Same for this one and this one. Pull this out the middle. Whole assembly should just come out from out of there with the actuator. Go ahead and this tab for the actuator, pull it out. This one, push it through, pull it out. The whole assembly should drop out. This right here. Oh. Sorry, doing this with one hand. This right here connects to the back of the door handle right there, this rod. This one right here goes to the lock cylinder. Pull it out, reattach everything. Your actuator is going to be bolted up to this one, and this one. When you're pulling it out, when you're taking out the actuator, there is a tab right here that's under it. Right there. So what you're going to do is lift the actuator out, pull it out, and then you're just going to do the reverse steps. Put the actuator piece under here, bolt everything up, reattach the rods. Easiest way to install it, I went ahead, put the latch in. I started 1 bolt at the bottom, and then for this middle rod right here, I attached this on last. It's gonna be, well, I'll show you right here. Where this orange clip is, that's where the that middle rod is gonna go. Let's see. We also have this black shroud right here. That's attached to this screw right here. So you just take it out. You'll be able to access this, reattach it, put the cover back on it, put everything back in. Let's see, whoops. Let's see what else. yeah, once you get everything reattached and put back in, bolt everything up, and bolt your window track, put that back together, attach the rods, bolt up the inside handle and lock, and that should be about it. Make sure you get your actuator plugged in. Make sure when you put the lock back in, or when you put your latch back in, make sure these two rods right here, let me set up this light real quick. Make sure this rod here and the cylinder lock is on the outside of the window track, and then make sure the rest is on the outside over here, and that should be about it. If you have any questions, just feel free to message me. Let me know what's up. Good luck. Hopefully everything works right. It's pretty easy. Shouldn't really have no problems.